Changing the look of your dull, lifeless concrete can be challenging. Over time, bare, unprotected concrete starts to wear, marring the look of your home's surroundings. The question is, how do you protect it from further damage and give it new decorative appeal? How do you get a long-term fix that will hide the ugly repairs, cracks and chipping, stubborn stains, and general wear and tear? All of the things that can eventually make your concrete look like this. You could always rip out the old concrete, a messy and expensive option if you're up to it. You could then pour a brand new concrete slab, or maybe install paving stones as an alternative. But again, we're talking about a bigger project and more dollars than you may want to spend. Well, here is some great news. For just a fraction of the cost, you can resurface your ugly concrete in just a weekend with real stone you roll on. Introducing the SpreadStone Decorative Concrete Resurfacing Kit by Daich Coatings. It's a complete kit with all coatings and a special stone applicator that lets you cover up to 100 square feet. It's the easy way to add high-performance beauty to all of your concrete, indoors and out. Got a patio with a dull concrete floor? Make it pop with the elegance of real stone tile. An unfinished basement floor? Instantly add a SpreadStone tile finish there too, without the headache and high cost of installing the real thing. Pool deck looking a little tired? Make it look new again, and super slip resistant too. Give your garage floor or your concrete driveway the look of premium stone or stamped concrete in a weekend at a fraction of the cost. Want a decorative stone pattern? Use a Daich Coatings decorative stencil and turn any surface into a showpiece. Even your existing paving stones can be completely and economically renewed, right where they are in one day. And last, but certainly not least, is walls. Give any ugly block wall the elegant look of real laid stone in a day. With SpreadStone, the possibilities are endless. Choose from 5 natural stone colors, all backed by SpreadStone's trusted performance, including these key advantages year-round. In winter, excellent resistance to extreme cold, freeze-thaw cycles, water, snow, salt, and shoveling. In summer, excellent resistance to high heat and humidity, extreme UV rays, and hot tires. Additional benefits: excellent slip-resistant safety and near-zero maintenance. And the best news of all, there's no skill required. You just roll it on and your concrete is transformed into a beautiful high-performance showpiece that complements your home. Here's how you do it. Everything is applied by roller in 4 fast and easy quick-drying steps. Step 1 is the stone primer that locks into your concrete. The stone primer goes down fast and dries outdoors in as little as 20 minutes. It also serves as the visible grout line in decorative tile and flagstone designs. Step 2 is the stone base coat. It's the tough foundation and the main color in your SpreadStone finish. Just roll it on for an attractive, softly textured surface. Let it dry and move on to Step 3. Step 3 is the stone accent coat, where the decorative effect really happens. Use the enclosed stone applicator and just roll randomly over the surface. The accent colors do all the creative work for you. As it dries and blends into the base coat, your new stone surface will appear before your eyes. Dry time is 15 minutes. Step 4 is application of stone clear coat the following day. As you can see, the colors have blended together beautifully. This step locks in the look and long-term performance of your new stone surface. Just roll on 2 coats a few hours apart and your project is complete. Compared to all the high-cost alternatives, this is our invitation to you to discover for yourself the unbeatable economy, beauty, and high performance of the SpreadStone Decorative Concrete Resurfacing Kit by Daich Coatings.